A new powertrain delivering the power and the environmental performance appropriate to the new LandCruiser 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo gasoline engine. The new LandCruiser is available with a newly developed 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo gasoline engine, with a maximum output of 305 kilowatts 415 picoseconds and a maximum torque of 650 Newton-meters. It combines the TNGA philosophy with the traditional reliability of the LandCruiser. The direct injection 4-stroke gasoline engine superior version with turbo D4 Street has a multi-hole direct injector, a longer stroke, an optimized valve angle positioning for high-speed combustion, and the high-efficiency twin-turbo delivers powerful torque at low speeds and outstanding supercharger response. 3.3-liter V6 twin-turbo diesel engine. The 3.3-liter V6 twin-turbo diesel engine features various optimizations, such as to its piston combustion chambers, intake ports, and injectors. It combines a maximum output of 227 kilowatts 309 picoseconds and a maximum torque of 700 Newton-meters with outstanding fuel efficiency. From a driving perspective, the supercharger performance of the newly adopted variable nozzle two-way twin-turbo promises thrilling acceleration in all manner of scenarios. The superb responsiveness of the single turbo offers powerful acceleration at low speeds. At high speeds, the large intake volume of the twin-turbo contributes to smooth acceleration. Direct shift 10 at maximizing the performance of the V6 twin-turbo engines. Lockup is engaged at almost all speed ranges other than when starting to provide direct shift feel, while the use of 10-speed automatic transmission results in both smaller gear steps and lighter gear ratios. Consequently, the transmission offers a comfortable and rhythmical ride, better fuel efficiency at high speeds, and improved starting acceleration and off-road performance. The Direct Shift 10AT also delivers drive torque characteristics, and gear change timings optimized for gasoline and diesel engines respectively. For gasoline engines, the transmission provides a pleasing sense of acceleration that draws out relaxed torque characteristics even at high engine speeds. For diesel engines, it promises exciting torque even at low engine speeds. In this way, the Direct Shift 10AT guarantees instinctive and powerful acceleration for both gasoline and diesel engines. Support for off-road driving. Multi-Terrain Select. When driving off-road, Multi-Terrain Select provides support in road conditions in which it is easy to get stuck due to wheel spin, or it is easy to lose speed due to a lack of drive power. Drivers can select one of 6 modes: Auto, Dirt, Sand, Mud, Deep Snow, and Rock. And the system delivers guaranteed off-road performance through the automatic and integrated control of drive torque, suspension, and brake hydraulics. The operational range of Multi-Terrain Select has also been expanded to the high-range H4 mode, enabling it to be engaged in a wider range of off-road situations. In Auto mode, which assesses prevailing road conditions via a variety of sensor data and optimizes drive torque accordingly, the system delivers the appropriate off-road performance in line with the prevailing driving conditions, without the driver having to manually switch modes. Multi-Terrain Monitor. Multi-Terrain Monitor is a system that uses 4 cameras, positioned to the front, rear, and both sides of the vehicle, to help the driver check conditions around the vehicle. The driver can switch between images captured by each of the 4 cameras, and so check road conditions in blind spots. If the vehicle is stopped while the screen is displaying images from the front-facing camera, the driver can press an on-screen button to switch to underfloor view. This uses past images taken by the front-facing camera before the vehicle was in its current position, to show what is currently beneath the vehicle. By superimposing the current car and tire position over this image, the driver can check underfloor conditions and front wheel position. A new view is also available. The car is made TR transparent, and an image showing the area around the rear wheels is magnified. This enables the driver to ascertain conditions around the rear wheels, and estimate distances to obstacles. Invaluable when trying to free the vehicle from a stuck position, or exit a dead end. Available as a manufacturer's option, together as a set with the T-Connect SD navigation system, on all grades except the GX grade. 12.3-inch display, a manufacturer's option with off-road display function. The new LandCruiser comes with a dedicated off-road information display screen. By displaying inclinometer data, locking differential engagement, accelerator and brake work, and other information on a large screen, the driver can intuitively grasp the vehicle's situation.